Earthquakes can happen anytime. Now let's test your knowledge about earthquakes and how you can stay safe. This quiz has 3 levels: easy, medium, and hard. You only have 5 seconds to guess each answer, so think fast. Let's see how smart you really are. Your first question starts now. Easy. What causes most earthquakes? It's the moving tectonic plates. What tool measures earthquakes? It's seismograph. Should you hide during an earthquake? You're right, under the table. What should you do during an earthquake? Yes, it's drop, cover, and hold. What is safest place in the outside? It's an open area. Why do earthquakes happen? It's due to the tectonic plates move. What should you protect during an earthquake? Our head and neck. What should you avoid during an earthquake? Windows and glass. Before we go to medium level, make sure you subscribe because more quiz are coming. Medium level. Why should you avoid elevators during an earthquake? It may stop working. Which sign shows an earthquake is happening? A ground shaking. After an earthquake, what should you do first? Yes, stay calm and assess the situation. What should you avoid touching after an earthquake? It's the broken electrical wires. Where do most earthquakes happen? In a plate boundaries. What makes tectonic plates move? It's the heat in the mantle. What should you prepare before an earthquake? Yes, emergency kit and ready-to-eat food. Congrats, you break the medium easily. Move forward to the hard level. Which wave causes the most damage during earthquakes? Surface waves. What scale measures earthquake strength? It's the moment magnitude scale. Which building is safest during an earthquake? Yes, a strong, flexible building. Which wave can travel through liquids? It's P wave. That's the end of the quiz, and if you like fun challenges like this, don't forget to subscribe. More quiz are coming.